Audio Jungle.
Bugun 2025-yil 17-oktyabr. Kaspiy rivojlanish soati xorijiy tillarni o'rganish maqsadida Arnasoy tumanidagi 2-maktabga tashrif buyurdik.
Oturing davom eting.
İsmichi?
2025-yilning 17-oktyabr kuni ingliz tili fani yo'nalishi bo'yicha Kaspiy rivojlanish soati o'rganilmoqda.
It's very important for us because it's one way pass in his or her life. If we are not in right path, we wouldn't be achieve something in our life.
Okay, what about SMART goal?
Smart goals is really depends to our settings, plans. If we set not a level at this PKT, and in my professional goals I did, and I taught some students. I have no currently, but we are preparing and we are doing now our heal chair, heal our life, and we are. Today will be first lesson. Our work to do, we have to do, and he sets us such kind of tasks to do during our lessons and interesting activities. I think it's very useful for us. Also, it's very useful for young.
2025-yilning 17-oktyabr kuni Arnasoy tumani ingliz tili fani yo'nalishi bo'yicha 12-maktab Kaspiy rivojlanish soati o'rganilmoqda.
Rejalashtirish va demak harakat qilish, o'sha bo'yicha harakat qilish. Endi harakatlar tartibi qanday? Ya'ni uzoq muddatli va yaqin muddatli o'sha rejalashtirilganda deylik o'sha kasbiy rivojlanishda biron bir maqsad qo'yganimizdan keyin o'sha
What is goal?
it does firstly we have to set the